G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's food review time once again, and today I'm off to Domino's. They've got a new range of smoked salmon pizzas. So I thought I'd get the Salmon and Prawn Supreme Pizza and give one of those a go, see what it's like. I also ordered a pepperoni puff roll to see what that's like too. Let's go get it. Alright, well here we go. I got the pepperoni puff roll, $2.95 this cost, and I got the salmon and prawn pizza, $18.25, but I got the gluten-free base on this for another $2.95, so all up it was like $25. Anyway, let's suss out this pizza. Da, 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 da. Oh, there you go. That's a Supreme Pizza. Where's the capsicum? Where's the onion? Where's the bacon? Ham? Chicken? Olives? Where's the Supreme about this? Yeah, thank goodness. Anyway, what is on it is, well, there's some prawns, of course. It's got a hollandaise swirl. This one's got pumpkin on it. I think there's some onion there. And, well, these chunks here must be the smoked salmon. Oh, yeah. And it looks like a nice covering of cheese there, too. And this is a gluten-free base, so I'm pretty keen to give that a go. But I also got the pepperoni puff roll, remember? So let's see what this is like. Oh, isn't that cute? That looks pretty interesting. Alright, well, I mean, it does look alright. Let's see if it's got some stretchy cheese. Well, it looked like it probably should. Come on. Give me some stretch. Just for old time's sake. No stretch. It's falling apart a bit. Actually, let's try some of this salmon. See what that's like. Ooh, it's pretty salty. Wow, it's very salty. Like really, really salty. Gee, I think that salmon must have been living in the Dead Sea because it is really, really salty. But it might taste good altogether. And what about this pumpkin? I do love pumpkin. That piece was almost a little bit raw in the middle. Well, it is pumpkin, but it hasn't got much flavour. But anyway, let's give it a go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I think this might have a creme fraiche base. Oh, that's nice. I'm liking that. Altogether, it does taste pretty good. Not too sure about that pumpkin on there, but even though there is a pumpkin there, it's tasting all right so far. Now, this is the gluten-free base. I did notice that it was sort of a little bit grainy. I'm not sure what flour they use to make the gluten-free. It could be corn flour, could be rice flour, could be a mixture. But the gluten-free base isn't too bad. Is it worth another $3 though? Jeez. Well, if you're gluten-free, then you got no choice. And when I clicked on the gluten-free thing, it said, this pizza may not be 100% gluten-free. Which is fair enough, because you really don't know what else is on it. How about these prawns? Yeah, that prawn was all right. Let me have another go. I really want to get this tasting all these flavours in here. Make sure I'm getting the review right. Yeah, not bad. It'd probably be better with a normal base on it, but it's pretty tasty. The mixture of all those ingredients there tastes pretty good. The pumpkin's alright, and the saltiness of that salmon's really good, and it really does blend in with the rest of the pizza and make it taste really nice. Now, the pepperoni puff pastry. So this is like, well, it actually looks cooked all over, which is a pretty good start for a Domino's product. Let's go. Well, there's the inside. You can see there's lots of cheese in there, and it's got the pepperoni there. There was a bit of a plasticky taste about it. Not sure if it was the pastry or the ingredients, but yeah, I'm not minding this at all. Let's find the source of that plasticky taste. I don't think it's the pastry. The pepperoni. No, well, the pepperoni has got a little bit of kick to it. A little bit spicy. I don't mind that. Maybe it's this big mozzarella-y bit of cheese in here. Oh, yeah. Oh, is it ever going to stop stretching? Yes, it did. Well, that cheese tastes pretty good. Couldn't get the plasticky taste though. Couldn't figure out where that was from. But I'm really enjoying this. This has got some real nice taste. Plenty of cheese in there. And, well, it's cooked all over and it actually tastes really nice. But what score would I give them out of 10? Well, this pepperoni puff pastry, $2.95. I mean, that's fair enough. And the taste of it was really nice. And, well, I think it's really nice. I'll give that a 9 out of 10. This salmon and prawn supreme pizza, well, it's hardly supreme, is it? It's sort of slightly lacking in toppings, although the toppings that are there I am enjoying, and mixed all together they taste pretty good. The pumpkin, well, I mean, if you're not a pumpkin fan, there's always a little red button on the when you're ordering the pizza to take it off, so you don't have to get it. But it's a pretty good pizza, and the taste of it was really nice. The salmon on it, really salty, but as it blended in with the rest of the food, it really made the flavour taste really nice. And the creme fraiche base and the hollandaise sauce, all together it was really tasty. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this prawn and salmon supreme pizza, I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. It's actually really tasty and I really enjoyed it. The thing that let this down maybe was the pumpkin, a bit undercooked, and, well, should pumpkin be on a pizza? It's kind of like, should pineapple be? I think pineapple should be. Pumpkin? Yeah, possibly. And another thing that let this pizza down, the gluten-free crust. It's a little bit grainy, and it's just got something about it that, well, is not that good. I've bought gluten-free crusts from the supermarket that taste better than this, so they could probably do some work on their gluten-free crust. But besides that, yeah, it's a really tasty pizza. And well, what's my recommendation? Well, I tell you what, if you feel like a expensive pizza for dinner tonight, maybe give one of these a go. It's actually pretty tasty. It's got the classic seafood taste, and maybe just don't get on a gluten-free base. Unless you're gluten-free, of course, in which case, then get a gluten-free base pizza. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to buy and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review a pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger